When shaping a garment, sometimes we need to increase the number of stitches in work. The simplest, quickest method is this one, the simple increase, in which we just place one needle on the carriage side into work that was not in work before, and it will pick up and knit. Usually the preferred method is this one, the full-fashioned increase. We move the outer stitch over one needle, and then the empty needle needs to be filled with something. You may also move the outer 2 stitches over one needle, and the purl bump from the row below is what we use to fill the new needle. You have a choice of purl bumps, the one from the right-hand stitch or the one from the left-hand stitch. The advantage of the full-fashion increase is that it leaves a straight column of stitches along the edge for neat seaming.